The MEGAVENT Retractable Roof is a unique product which can be used to beautify an open terrace. It provides protection against rain and sunlight, thus increasing the footfalls. It also gives protection to the furnitures because of the UV-coated polycarbonate sheets. These enclosures are lightweight but strong by nature and has the ability to sustain all weather conditions. If the extra table revenue earned in rainy, windy or monsoon seasons are considered, the cost of the product can be recovered in a season or two. The MEGAVENT Retractable Roof has non-corrosive parts made of aluminum and stainless steel. It is also easy to maintain and simple to clean.